Hi everyone and welcome. So you join us today on a drive from the edge of Sandiacre in Nottinghamshire, where the Sandiacre Leisure Centre is. And we're driving down Rushley Lane. Then I shall be making a turning down No Man's Lane as we head towards Dale Abbey. So it's just a small drive. I hope you enjoy it. It's down a nice countryside road, and when we get to the end, I'll be parking up for a walk into Dale Abbey, and that'll be on the other channel for you to enjoy. And then the next episode will be a continuation. We'll head into Dale Abbey, and then I will drive back to Sandiacre. So thank you very much and enjoy.